At IMPACK, we talk a lot about ergonomics, but making life easier on your packers doesn't mean you have to sacrifice speed and productivity. I'm at QUALVIS in the UK, where the team is determined to reach the theoretical speed limitations of this machine with that packing station on this product.
With the Ergosa, we've been able to hit the top speeds achievable with these cartons on this machine with this setup without automating further and the expenses that come with that. This machine's been running like this for the last 2 days now, non-stop, and we've done almost 1.6 million cartons, so it's a really good testament to what it can do.
What's the feedback from your packing staff?
They love it. Yeah, they've all adapted really well to the machine, to the packer. The speeds that we used to be overjoyed about, they're slow now.